Hi students, so now we're going to start looking at the financials for our clinic, and one of the first things we need to do is calculate the startup cost. So I need you to go back to the floor plan that you found a few weeks ago, and we're going to use that to calculate the cost of building our building. If you've decided on a different floor plan, that's okay too. Just make sure that you upload the current plan that you're going to use here under line 17, and that's the one that you're going to use for your calculations. So insert your floor plan here under line 17, just copy and paste it. And then we need to start calculating what it's going to cost to build that building. We need to determine the total square feet. Square feet is length times width. So take your total square feet for that entire building, and it's going to go here. I have a small clinic. It's only 2,000 square feet total. So I'm going to put 2,000 there. You'll see it's going to calculate $300,000 for the cost of building that building. That's at $150 per square foot for a 2,000 square foot building. Next, think about the number of parking spaces that you're going to need for your patients and staff. Since I have a small clinic, I'm going to need 20 spaces, and it's going to give me $4,000 as a cost to build that parking lot. That's $200 per parking space for 20 spaces. So the total to build my building and my parking lot is $304,000. The other thing you'll need to do this week is enter all of your equipment and furniture needs. If you'll look down here, click on the Furniture tab, and you've got space to enter all of the furniture that you've previously determined for your clinic. And be careful, make sure that you've added enough furniture to fully furnish your building. If you have 3 exam rooms, you need 3 exam tables and 3 of everything. So make sure that you're really accurate when you do this. So I'm going to enter $250 for a desk. I'm going to have a filing cabinet. So just add all of your furniture here, and you'll see if you scroll down, it automatically sums it up for you and moves that total to the front page here. Do the same for your equipment. You'll enter your equipment here and the cost here in this cell. If you find that you need more rows, that you don't have enough, you can easily insert a row by coming to the middle, double click or right click, hit insert, and it will insert a line for you and will also include that total at the bottom, and we'll also move that total here for you to the front page. So you can see we're starting to build our startup cost for our clinic. Next week we will work on calculating our payroll cost. We'll determine how much staff we need. We'll determine payroll cost, and we'll also talk about 3 months operating expense. That's going to be part of our startup cost, and we'll need to calculate that and know what that is, but we'll do that next week. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, and have a good week.